5 years. Let's find the solution for this problem. Limit n tends to infinity 1 divided by root n, 1 by root 2 plus 4, etc. 1 divided by root 2n plus root 2n plus 2. So for that, limit n tends to infinity 1 divided by root n. First you have to take the conjugate of this one. So multiply and divide by its conjugate for all the terms. So that the remaining you will get as limit n tends to infinity 1 divided by root n. Here root 2 minus root 4 divided by a plus b into a minus b, which gives minus 2, plus root 4 minus root 6 divided by again here minus 2, plus etc. plus root 2n minus root 2n plus 2 divided by minus 2. So from all the terms you can see 2 is common in the denominator. So you can take 1 by 2 outside, so that limit n tends to infinity 1 divided by root n, and one more minus is here that you can multiply in the numerator, so that this will be root 4 minus root 2 plus root 6 minus root 4 plus etc. plus root 2n plus 2 minus root 2n. So we can cancel all the terms which are common, that is 1 by 2 into limit n tends to infinity 1 divided by root n. We can see the common terms here, minus 4 and plus 4, then here minus root 6 and plus root 6, etc. etc. minus root 2n, and here you will get a plus root 2n. So those terms get cancelled. The remaining you can see this term and this term, that is root of 2n plus 2 minus root 2. So that which is equal to 1 by 2 limit n tends to infinity 1 divided by root 2. You can take here a root n outside, that is n outside, so that out of the root n into root of 2 plus 2 by n minus here root 2. Now which is equal to 1 by 2 limit n tends to infinity. Multiply this root n with the first term, so that root n get cancelled. So that 2 divided by 2 plus 2 by n minus multiply this with this term, so that root 2 divided by root n. So that which is equal to 1 by 2 limit n tends to infinity. So while applying n tends to infinity, you can see that 2 by n tends to 0, so that you will get here root 2. And here also as limit n tends to infinity root of 2 by n. That's also 0. As n tends to infinity, 2 by n is 0. So the term is this one. So finally you can get the answer 1 divided by 2 into root 2. So this 2 become root 2 root 2. So the answer here is equal to 1 by root 2. So option B is the right answer. Option B, 1 by root 2 is right option. Thank you.